everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to check unknown caller on iPhone. Let's start by opening your phone app and go to your keypad. In here, dial *69 and hit the call button. This allows you to redial the last incoming call, and in some cases, it will display the real phone number, even if it's initially hidden. This feature will only work if the caller hasn't intentionally blocked their information. You can hang up as soon as the number appears on your screen to not actually talk with the caller. For the other ways to simply use third-party app like the Truecaller app, which you can easily download on the App Store. This app can help you identify unknown numbers in real time and even block spam or telemarketing calls. However, note that this app only works for future calls. They won't be able to tell you who called you in the past unless they were installed beforehand. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.